Aishwarya Rai Bachchan and Abhishek Bachchan have been married for a long time, and despite occasional rumors of unrest, the two have always presented a united front. Aishwarya and Abhishek have always had great things to say about each other. But like in every marriage, there are teachable moments, and Abhishek Bachchan recalled one in an interview. During a recent interview, Abhishek Bachchan made a statement that caught everyone's attention. According to reports, he was heard saying to Aishwarya Rai, "Ghar pe baithne se kamai kaise hogi?" This remark reportedly came during a discussion about managing work during the pandemic. The comment has sparked a wave of reactions online, with fans and media outlets alike buzzing about what it could mean for the power couple. In response to Abhishek's statement, Aishwarya Rai was quoted saying, "Every family's circumstances are different, and we all make choices that work for us." Her diplomatic response has added fuel to the debate, leaving fans curious about the couple's dynamic behind closed doors. This isn't the first time Abhishek and Aishwarya's personal lives have made headlines. The couple, known for their private nature, occasionally steps into the limelight with candid remarks that become the talk of the town. As the pandemic continues to reshape lives globally, Bollywood celebrities have increasingly shared glimpses of their personal struggles and triumphs. For Abhishek and Aishwarya, balancing family life with career demands has been a topic of interest among their followers. Abhishek Bachchan, known for his straightforward demeanor, has often been vocal about various social and industry issues. His recent comment sheds light on the challenges faced by celebrities navigating work-life balance during uncertain times. On social media, reactions have been mixed, with some applauding Abhishek's honesty while others question the sensitivity of his remark. The incident serves as a reminder of the pressures faced by public figures under constant scrutiny. Meanwhile, Aishwarya Rai's graceful response has resonated with fans who admire her resilience and composure in the face of public attention. Her ability to maintain dignity amid controversy is a testament to her stature in the industry. In Bollywood, where gossip and rumors often dominate headlines, every statement and gesture by celebrities is dissected and analyzed. The latest interaction between Abhishek and Aishwarya has sparked debates about privilege, responsibility, and the realities of modern-day stardom. As fans eagerly await further developments, one thing is certain: Abhishek Bachchan and Aishwarya Rai continue to be a fascinating couple whose every move captivates the hearts and minds of their admirers. Thank you for joining us today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on your favorite Bollywood stars. Until next time, stay tuned for all the latest gossip and news right here on our channel.